We're off on another adventure today. Stephen is going to attempt rock climbing down in Azogues.
Attempt.
Partly because of the weather. It rained overnight and it's kind of cloudy and cool right now, so hopefully the weather will be different down there.
Hey guys, how are you?
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Todo bien?
Mi amigo Stephen.
Pietro, mucho gusto. ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien. You guys ready?
All right. Yeah. Anybody else? ¿Algo más?
No, vamos
Solo,
nosotros. Sí.
Great. Awesome.
Muy bien,
Sí.
gracias.
We're not waiting for
Clases
anyone.
privadas hoy.
Sí.
Private classes today. You told me that you used to climb.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Beginner level.
Yeah,
Very beginner level.
You wanna do multi-pitch or just normal rules or
Okay.
it depends on you.
All right. Start small.
Yes, that's
Baby
small.
steps.
Let's try.
Right.
Yeah, Cojitambo
So-
has this slab climbing style,
Right.
so it's not painful for shoulders.
Okay, that's good.
You pay these 10 cents for the fee, the entrance fee of the terminal. Then we pay 75 cents to azogues, and then from azogues to El Cojitambo we pay 50 cents more. And then way back is the same.
Okay. Very good.
The region of Cuenca is that's why. But we are going to another region. It's Cañar. So this is the region from the highest number of Ecuadorians went to the States all the way. So you can, if you speak to someone, they will always tell you, I have a uncle or a friend or someone in the family who went to the States to work there. And so it's very common when we go to Cojitambo, this little town close to the climbing spot, that there are, maybe some weekend there are parties. Twice a year there are huge parties. So the people that live in the States send the money to the people who live in Cojitambo to set the biggest party as ever. Carrasco family went to the States, and this year is their turn to pay the party. So they have to put all the best efforts, the best money they can get it to create the best party as possible. It's like something, for their family. They did the best party as ever.
Chocolate blanco, fresa, frutilla, para que vaya saboreando el caballero, la damita.
Gracias.
So this one is the bus that comes down from Cojitambo. So it's the bus that you will use the way back. I will show you where to get it in the main square of Cojitambo. So they drop you here, and you have to get one of these buses. It's the same now, but this just arrived. These are the buses waiting to go back to Cuenca.
Okay.
Okay.
So Tsitka, you just go there, they will say Cuenca, Cuenca, Cuenca. And we call you somehow. And always 75 cents.
Great.
Now we have to go down there to get the bus to Cuenca.
Okay. ¿Dónde?
Para allá.
¿Dónde está el baño?
El baño inside.
Inside.
Yeah. So it's quite a good big city, and it's funny because if you want to do something related to visas here in Ecuador, you have to come here. You didn't
We
know?
didn't. We went to Machala.
In Machada.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to climb there. So we walk all, it would be less than 1 kilometer on this road, and we arrive there. There are 2 spots actually. One is Revolcon and the other one VIP.
VIP.
Every spot here has a different name, and every route has its own name.
It's been beautiful all week here in the Cuenca land area, and the day we come out to go rock climbing is the day it decides to cloud up and rain on us. So we were down at a lower climbing hill,
Steeper.
a little bit steeper, but it just opened up and was pouring pretty much. So we came up here a little bit further up the hill, and this is a little bit more of a gradual incline. So Stephen hopefully won't fall and kill himself.
Hopefully.
He's already...
Could be my last words right here.
Yeah, so Joe went up ahead, and he's going to set the ropes and come back down, and then they're going to climb up this slope that's right here. Hopefully the rain, it's kind of stopped now. Hopefully it continues to not rain. Steven says he's the sun bringer, but he's not bringing any today.
I'm trying. It would be a lot worse if I weren't here. Just saying.
Be hurricane weather?
Yeah, that's right. It would be. It would be a typhoon.
Bomb cyclone?
Bomb cyclone.
All right, well, Pietro is going to be coming down soon. I'll show you what that looks like.
Rope!
Like it's burning a little bit. When you feel it, you just change it, don't stop.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go.
Tell us how you're feeling.
I'm feeling a little scared, but I'm ready to go. I'll do it.
How was it?
It was good. There were some scary spots where I guess I couldn't, there's no reason to be scared because the rope's going to catch me, but there was like, I don't know how I'm going to go forward. And I think I kind of used the rope a little bit on those. I didn't grab it, but I certainly used that pull to get to the next thing, because I don't think I could. Some of that, there was just nothing to, you get just fingers, and my fingers ain't that strong. And so I just like, I don't know where I'm going or where my leg is going. I don't know. I'm just gonna go. Here we go.
You did very well. You read the cracks very well, like you knew what to do. Now, if you want, because it's still wet, we can continue this route and we can do the 2 pitches. And so the first one when you arrive, then I go there. I belay from there, so you go up, and from there we go up to the second one, and then we go down together.
They made it all the way up to the top. Now it's raining hard again and it's cloudy. You can see the clouds in the background there. It's like we're in the fog in the rain and they're climbing on a slippery rock mountain. Glad it's them and not me.
Well, this time it was interesting because the first half, all the things that were hard about the first part were easy. I took different routes or whatever, but it wasn't the first part that I had problems with the first time. Not a problem. The second part started out easy, and then what looked like the easy part from looking from above was really hard near the end. It was just lots of little holes, just tiny little holes, tiny little finger holes. And I was, I was having a hard time finding the next one and whatnot until I got up to him. And then belaying down was a little scary because the rope was wet, and so it was like kind of jerky going down a little bit, more than probably it would have been if it were dry. But yeah, I made it down. I'm alive. Yay. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Because I'm hardcore!
Trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
We're back from Steven's mountain climbing adventure in the rain, in the pouring rain.
The slippery rocks.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was good. It was fun.
Yeah.
Scary, fun.
It looked a bit scary, especially when they got to the top and the clouds opened up and it was just pouring. And I was standing down there without any cover, no place to sit. My feet were soaked.
Yeah, and the ropes were wet.
And the ropes were wet.
We were rappelling down. It was sort of very clunky and okay, and yeah, it was fine. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
it's all good.
He survived. And then as soon as we had everything all packed up and we were heading back down to the main road to catch the bus, the sun came out and it cleared up right when we were leaving.
Right, but it did get heavier later.
Yeah, when we got back in Cuenca, it was raining really hard. Yeah. Steven is leaving us tomorrow. I'm going to go to Guayaquil with him to pick up my passport. It's already ready. And then he's heading back to the States on Monday. He's got to go back to work.
Back to work. Well, I would have to work like 5 weeks from now.
Oh, a few more weeks.
Eventually back to work. Yeah. But no, not right away for me.
Well, it's been fun having him here and doing crazy things that Amelia and I would never do. All right, veggie lovers, thanks for tuning in to our Cuenca adventures. So please remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified of our next video, and we'll see you soon.
Right.
Ciao.
Ciao. I'm hardcore!
He's hardcore. He's crazy. Que loco.